thử thách Valentine không cần người yêu nhưng mà phải trở thành các chuyên gia tình yêu. Đó chính là lý do mà hôm nay mình có mặt tại đây để chia sẻ cùng các bạn 5 giai đoạn của một cuộc tình. Mình là Khoa Vũ và bây giờ thì cùng bắt đầu nhé. Stage number 1. Okay, so here is my personal advice to you all. If you want someone, no matter how nerve-wracking it may sound, you should always pull yourself together and proactively ask the person out, okay? Always be confident, but prepared for rejection. That being said, whichever gender you are, when it comes to dating, you should always play hard to get because, you know, people want what they can have, and no one would want caviar if it was cheap. Stage number 2. At this stage, each half of a couple is generally putting his or her best foot forward. You're gonna feel like, oh, we're so compatible, oh, we have so much in common that it almost feels like a match made in heaven. Differences and red flags often go unnoticed or even dismissed with thoughts like, she's gonna change or it's not that big of a deal, okay? But do not be fooled by that illusion, since the next step is going to be some kind of reality check to see where this relationship is headed. Stage number 3. During this stage of a relationship, the novelty calms down and reality sets in. We might take away some of our best faces to act more naturally and relaxed, yeah? Some personal weaknesses and flaws and differences might start to be unveiled, leading to real-life situations where couples need to work together towards conflict management and healthy disagreement. Stage number 4. This stage is the calm after the storm. By this point, a couple knows each other well. They've been through, you know, the inevitable ups and downs. They know how to handle crises and they know how to sort out future crises. They officially become an item. Also, there are multiple ways to call your lover. Besides baby and babe, which are so popular, you can call them boo, beau, sweetie, sweetheart, my better half, my partner, for a change. Stage number 5. Having been in a long-term relationship, a couple becomes inseparable lovebirds. They are fully aware of each other's lifestyle, values, careers, and share the same vision when it comes to future goals. The potential happy ending is where one person pops the question to the other and they get engaged, and then finally they can tie the knot. However, I'm telling you, I think you definitely should weigh your decisions carefully and wisely, you know, because engagements can be broken much more easily and it can be a much better decision than getting married and divorced. Và đó là 5 giai đoạn của một cuộc tình mà mình tin là ai trong số chúng ta thì cũng sẽ trải qua ít nhất một lần ở trong đời. Nhân cái dịp ngày lễ tình nhân sắp tới thì mình gửi tới các bạn viewers của GIAI Shop một cái lời chúc lễ tình nhân và lễ tình cảm thật là viên mãn. Và bạn nào mà mùa này chưa có gấu thì mời các bạn lên trên hàng bông. Bạn nào có gấu rồi thì mời các bạn liên hệ mình. Mình xin lỗi. Bạn nào mà còn cô đơn và độc thân thì mời các bạn liên hệ mình nhé. Call me maybe.